Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. It's Tuesday. What's really happening? We saw that yesterday we had some economic news, manufacturing PMI. Whoa, that actually moved the market, and mostly it doesn't really move the market that much. So they were estimating 4.48 or 48.5, but the numbers were actually higher. And that was good for the dollar. That was actually good for the dollar. But for other pairs, that was actually not good because they were selling. So we saw an aggressive reversal yesterday, right? So when we check today, which is actually Tuesday, there is job openings. Tomorrow, which is Wednesday, there is service PMI. Fed Powell is gonna speak tomorrow, so that can also move the market, but it's gonna be late, a little bit later. Unemployment claims, which is actually Thursday, as always. On Friday, we have NFP. So these are actually our economic news, but the bigger one is gonna be actually NFP. Powell is going to speak tomorrow. That is going to be a bigger a move. Actually, we're gonna give that an attention, right? So what's really happening? We starting with Bitcoin. What's really happening? You can easily see that the market it's trying to reverse. It's trying to reverse. You can see around this area. Let me change the color. Yeah, you can see the market is trying to reverse here, but besides that, we have structure that shows us this area. It's actually a nice support zone, so there is a chance for the market to do what? To bounce back and continue going up. Yes, there is a chance for the market to also break out of that area and start to go even lower. That is also possible, right? So let's push to the next one. Which is DXY. So dollar index showed us that it was actually stronger. We saw the market going up, and that was enough to see those aggressive sell on other pairs. You can see that we had a smaller downtrend, but now it seems like the market wants to continue going up. But we will see what will happen, because we have some economic news left and right. But this is a clear uptrend, even though maybe we don't really see a clear structures like this, but we can easily see that the market is going up. So we had some resistance which the market just kept breaking out. So now it seems like the market is trying to bounce back, and when we go a little bit back here, you can see that it's actually around quite similar, or around this level where we had a nicely higher structure. Or maybe the market did actually, yeah, the market actually broke out of that area. It was the highest area for few weeks. So now it seems like the market actually broke out of that. Maybe the market wants to retest before going up, or maybe the market will end up respecting that, but we will see. For now, we're not actually ruling anything out. We will see, but obviously we can see that the market is actually going up on the XY, and that means the dollar is way too much stronger. So that's why at the end of the day on GBPUSD, I ended up sending a sell signal, even though the market seems to be reversing. So I will be updating you about that if you are in the group. So on GBPUSD, you can see that yes, we were on a very nice uptrend before the market breaks out. A smaller consolidation structure, which means we just have to wait and see if maybe it breaks. And it did break on the support, and I did not really see this move. That's why we have a nice pending order, or sell pending order ready. If the market comes back, or if anything happens, I will try to update my people in the group, because I think the market might end up going even lower, as the dollar is gaining that momentum every second, plus that it's now a downtrend structure. On gold is flying, guys. As we did talk about this, it's actually on a very nice uptrend. You can see after we had this breakout, the market is just going higher and higher. and I've been explaining the reasons behind that. People are buying gold, guys. Governments or economies all over the world, they are buying gold. There are reasons behind that. Geopolitical stuff going on. We have higher inflations, and the safe haven that we have currently is actually gold. So you have to, obviously, they are forced to buy that. If you are an investor, obviously, one way or another, you will also want to have gold on your stocks or on your portfolio. Simple as that. So this is what we see. It seems like gold is still gonna fly. We had a smaller reversal. At least we did smash this one here. So here we were just waiting for the market to go a little bit lower before we buy again, but it seems like the market is not ready to do that. So we are waiting for a nice reversal before we go on this buy. We don't know if that will happen because it seems like the market is ready to fly, but I think the market will end up doing that. I think the market will end up trying to reverse. So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening on US30? Quite straightforward structure. As I've been explaining, we are actually on a very nice uptrend structure. You can see here the market, at least the market reversed. Yesterday I was talking about this area. The market reversed very nice. And this reversal actually means that we are going to see a nice retest. So the question will be, will the market respect this area? Most likely, yes, the market can respect that. Or if maybe the market is aggressively on this bearish move, we might see the market going even lower. That is possible. Or maybe respecting this second support there. Let me just make it like this. Maybe you will see it like that. So I think this area is also something that the market can respect, but for now this is what we have, because you can see we have like more than 12 hours there. The market was just playing around that level, so there is a chance for the market to bounce back, and this might happen very quick. I like the fact that the market is very low, or at the lowest area, and once the market opens, I think maybe in 3 hours, then that is going to be very, very nice. That can actually go even higher. But if the dollar is very stronger, we might see the market even going down, but we have a smaller support down there. Not smaller, a support down there, which is very strong. So we will see what will happen, but I'm still expecting to see a very, very nice buy. All right, so on Nasdaq, Nasdaq has been playing games, guys. Nasdaq is playing games. So I just sent the signal today, but before we go on that, you can easily see that this structure is showing us that I'm going up. The market is just going up. The market is just going up. Let me change this. Let me change this. You see that? So we are actually on a very nice uptrend. The market is actually going up. It's been going up for quite some time. So where we are now, the market is just consolidating. You can see that before I even zoom, the market is just consolidating there. And it seems like this has been going on for quite some time now. Let's zoom and see. You can see that this has been going on for quite some time. Let's see. It's supposed to be like that. Yeah. So on the bottom side there, you can see we have a nice buy pending order there. It was on a smaller profit, but now it seems like the market is going down. But you have to understand that our support is very little bit, not really that far. If the market there is a possibility that the market can even reach this level. You can see that if it reaches this level, to me it's just the same as this area. But I will only think about maybe closing all my positions if the market breaks out of that. Then I can say, okay, maybe the market is about to change the trend, right? Because now it seems like the market is actually on the lowest level, so that it can actually go even higher for quite some time. So I was placing this notification so that I can tell my people if the market is going on our favor, just to tell them to lower their stop loss or maybe to lock their profits. But the market is just doing the opposite. But I'm still expecting to see the market going up later on. So you can see that on top, the market is also giving us this nice resistance, but actually we have to draw it somewhere there. You see that? So maybe we will have a chance to see the market breaking out of that. I think the market is actually on a very nice structure. We might see the market bouncing back later on. Yes, things might not really go exactly as I say. Things might change. Sometimes the market can just do its own thing. But around this area, to me, it's something that I think is going to be a very nice support. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one, which is actually S&P 500. S&P 500 is also going down, guys. So you can see that the market is actually selling. What's really happening? What's really happening? You can see that the market is being, sorry, not selling. Yeah, it's selling now, but the bigger structure is actually an uptrend. The market is actually uptrending. So when the market is uptrending like this, you can easily see that, yeah, this is like way too stronger of a bullish momentum. You see that? So I'm expecting to see the market, maybe the market will be respecting this area before going up, or maybe the market will be breaking out of that resistance. But for now, it shows us that the market is a little bit weak. We can see with this red candlesticks, which means the market is selling. The market might touch this area before going up. On top there, we have to mark our resistant also, right? So let's push to the next one. I'm still bullish, by the way. I'm just waiting for the market. Whoa, US oil, it's also flying. US oil is flying, which is good because we've been playing around the same level. So where we are now, this shows us that, you know what, we might continue with something like that. Already the market was actually on a very nice uptrend. So I'm expecting to see the market continues going even higher. Simple as that. So there's nothing much. I've been talking about the support area where I want to see the market touching these levels before going even higher. Do you see that? But it seems like the market is not actually on a pushing even lower. Now the market is just flying. So yeah, that's good. We will see what will happen. So anyways, thank you very much. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So we have everything for you from mentorship and VIP signals. So on our VIP signals, we have 3 options. So the first one is going to be 3 months of signals, which is actually $180. The second option is 12 months of VIP signals for only $450. So on that, you also get on-demand a library of our mentorship, so which means you just get the videos. So the last option is platinum, or you can just call that lifetime signals. On that, you get lifetime signals and you get extra 2 months of mentorship. That is going to be one-on-one, so which means we're going to have schedules that I can actually help you for 2 months. Again, we also have mentorship, which is quite it's different. This one is not actually signals. So on our mentorship, it's actually 2 months of mentorship for only $600. Remember, this is our 5-year plus 5 years experience, so into that 2 months, so you can just start trading as soon as possible. So on that, we actually cover risk management, learn about entries, trading mindset or psychology, how we approach the market structures, how to be disciplined, how to be consistent, profits and losses. You have to master that, and proper time frames. If you can know that, I think you are going to be consistent in your trading. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.